Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to lock a channel on Discord. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get stuck in. What we're going to do first is open up an internet browser. You can do this on the Discord app as well, so if you've got that downloaded and you do prefer to use that, just follow the steps. It is exactly the same whether you use a web-based application or if you have the app downloaded. So what I'm going to do is come across to discord.com, and then I just want to go ahead and log into my account. So once I'm logged in, I'm currently in my Digital Tutor, so this is my example account, and what I'm going to do is come to the server that I want to lock a channel for. So obviously you need to make sure you're either a mod or an owner and you've got the appropriate permissions to do this, but it's actually fairly simple. What we're going to do is just use the general voice chat channel down here, and if you hover over, what you need to do is actually click the edit channel button, which is this little gear icon to the right of the channel. And then from here, all you want to do is, if you look at the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click onto permissions. And there's actually two ways to do it from here. So what you can do, you can see at the very top, there's actually an option there which says private channel. So you would just obviously click that and then click save changes down here, and that would set the channel to private. And what you can do is actually click this button here to choose who can add, who can access the channel. So, you know, you can set like certain roles, for example, certain mods or administrators which can access the channel. That's the first way. And the other option that you've got is if you actually scroll down and come to this option here which says connect, and then you just want to click the cross and hit save changes, and that's going to do pretty much the same thing. So you'll see if I actually come out now, you'll see that it's changed slightly. There's actually a little padlock and a picture of a speaker. The reason it's actually got the picture of the speaker as well as the padlock is obviously being the owner of the channel, I can access that no problem. So that's all locked. And you'll see if I actually log out of this account, what I'm going to do is just log into my other account, and you'll see when I actually go into that now, there should be a padlock showing. So I'm just going to enter my details. And you'll see what's going to happen now is if I actually go back into that server from my other profile, my main Discord, and you'll see next to the voice channel there's actually the padlock symbol, which means that's completely locked out. So that's how you do it, and I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.